here I go because both of you guys won't do it for me.
Mohawk. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Looks like a Buddhist monk. Leave that one side like it is, and you look like Hitler.
I don't think so.
Looks like Kevin now.
It's done.
You know, none.
Tom.
Your mother. Should have music by Shade by. Should have got him a mirror.
You need a mirror? Yeah, what's up?
Can't do it now. You ain't getting the film that bother you.
Over here.
He's got a. Go to the back and do the back. Because he can't see. Go do it.
Go do it.
No, I'm holding the camera. I got to hold it straight. I ain't.
You guys are terrible.
Your mother's the problem.
Oh my God.
You guys can't screw it up. Quit screwing around. Go for my neckline. Get all this hair out.
Mom's doing it because Jerry Jr. was mean.
You know, if you turn around and go up, go from bottom up, it might work better.
I don't know.
Just go straight up. What do you mean you can't see what you're doing?
Too dark in here.
This is like a 200-watt light bulb. You mean turn this chair around? What do you mean you can't do it? It's done. Look in the back for. Show the back of the camera. Is it done?
Yeah. It's all done. There's his hair.
All right.
Hey, we can use that for a wig. Dolly Parton wig.
Dolly Parton wig. Alright. I just pull the towel.
That change your shirt. It's all over the back.
Well, I know it is.
Okay, everybody go. See through that curly Joe.
Shirt there. Take your shirt there.
I am. Okay, I think we're done with the camera.
Okay, that's it, folks.
Video.